save my life! Please help me! I'm not good!
Hello, guys! Can you hear my voice? Hello? Oh my god! I think I'm alone!
Hello, viewers. I hope you are all doing well. First of all, the fruit human videos that I showed you earlier are already trending on Facebook. Today, I will show you some Facebook pages where this type of content is being uploaded, and they are gaining excellent subscribers, followers, and generating impressive earnings. First, go to Facebook and search for the page VitaCore 3D. As you can see, this page has around 406K followers. The category selected is Health and Beauty. Now take a look at the uploaded reels. Oh my god, viewers, these reels have millions of views. 4.5 million, 8.5 million, 5.6 million. So if your YouTube channel is not getting monetized and you still want to earn money, then don't worry. On Facebook, this type of content can be monetized very easily. Now, I'll show you these reels one by one. You can clearly see how amazing and high-performing these reels are. This type of content is highly trending. Go through all the uploaded reels one by one. You'll notice that many of these are unique, and you may not have seen them before. Previously, I also uploaded human-style fruity niche content, and it performed extremely well. I hope you will like this niche too. Now let me show you another page called Bananito Vibes. This page has around 260K followers and is categorized as a digital creator page. Here as well, you can see very engaging human fruit characters. Check these videos one by one. Oh my god, viewers, this is amazing. All the videos are very high quality, and most of them have millions of views. This content is also trending heavily. So today, I will guide you on how you can create similar reels, build your Facebook channel, upload these videos, and start earning and monetizing easily. Now first, I want to talk about my master prompt. I already have a complete master prompt prepared. It includes character style prompts, image prompts, and up to 16 scenes, or however many scenes you want to generate. It also includes a video prompt. All you need to do is copy the entire prompt, go to ChatGPT, paste it, and click on the Generate option. As soon as you click Generate, all scenes will be created one by one, including video and voiceover. Now let me tell you something important. All the scenes that I used in my video are available in the description. You will also find the master prompt in the description, so if you want, you can directly use my image prompts. Or, if you prefer, you can take the master prompt and generate your own content. It's completely up to you. Both options will be available in the description with proper links. Now you can view all the scenes one by one. All image prompts are extremely amazing. Now I will copy the first image prompt and move to the important step, image generation. For image generation, I always recommend one tool, Flow AI. Open Flow AI. Go to Create with Flow, then click on New Project, and select Nano Banana 2, because this tool is currently trending and 100% free, so there's no need to use any other tool. For video creation, I will also tell you about 2 tools later that you can use easily. Now I copy the prompt, paste it, and as you can see, my first image has started generating. Let's wait a bit. And now, oh my god, look at this! The image is generated beautifully and looks absolutely amazing. Now I won't waste your time. I will simply paste all prompts one by one and keep clicking the Generate option, like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up to however many prompts I need. Sometimes when you generate an image, it may not come out perfect. In that case, just regenerate using the same prompt. It will give you a different result. It's up to you to select the best image. After waiting a bit, you can see that all my images are now ready. Oh my god, viewers, this is awesome. All the images generated from my prompts are unique, high quality, and in HD. I honestly don't think anyone has uploaded this niche before. Now I'll show you some scenes one by one. You can see how beautifully these images are generated. Now I will download these images in 2K quality because the next step is to add animation. So I'll select them and download them one by one in 2K quality. After downloading, we will move to the video section. Okay, viewers, for this video session, the very first thing you need to do is open the Daigen AI website. As I always tell you, this website is 100% free because you just need to log in once, and it adds 150 credits to your account daily. Yes, it gives daily credits, not just once after login, but every single day. It keeps adding credits to your account, alright? So, simply select RealMotion Turbo 3.1, which is the first option. Here, you'll also get audio along with it, and honestly, this tool is really amazing. Now, I'll upload my first image here, select the ratio, and then copy my first prompt and paste it here. After that, I'll click on the Generate option, okay? As you can see, it will take around 3 minutes. Within 3 minutes, my first video will be ready. So, viewers, you just need to wait for 3 minutes, and after that, you'll be able to see the animation. This is a very fast tool, and again, it's 100% free. And after waiting just a little while, oh my god, viewers, my first video is now ready. Look at how amazing it is in a hug-style animation where two fruit characters are hugging each other and showing such emotional attachment. This clearly means that the Digen AI website does an incredible job. And as I mentioned, it's 100% free. It only takes 20 credits and you keep getting 150 credits daily. You just need to log in once with your email. Alright viewers, now what I'll do is upload the second image. I'll give it a good prompt and click on Generate. This time, it's taking around 4 minutes, which means the video will be ready after 4 minutes. And as I've already explained how the video generation works here, you already understand it well. So why not move on to the second tool? For the second tool, I always recommend Flow AI, because viewers, this is also 100% free. It gives you around 50 to 60 credits daily. You just need to use VEO 3.1 Lite, which only takes 10 credits. And with just 10 credits, you can create up to 5 videos daily, each around 8 minutes long. What better tool could you ask for? Now I'll select my first image here and convert 4 to 5 videos to show you what kind of output it creates. I'll add a prompt after selecting the image and click on Generate. In the same way, I'll select my second image, give it a suitable prompt, and click Generate. Then I'll do the same for my third image as well. Now back to Digen AI and see the sent video is ready and amazing. It's mean Digen AI website is also good and 100% free for video generation. Now, let's move on to the editing section. You need to open CapCut and drag and drop all your videos into it. After importing all the videos, I'll arrange them in sequence, deciding which clip comes first and which comes later. Once everything is set properly, you can see that my final video is ready. However, using the scale option, I'll remove any logos if needed. Now I can export the video. After exporting, just take a look at the final result. Oh my god, viewers, this is amazing, truly amazing. I'm honestly surprised after watching this because the video turned out incredibly well. So viewers, we hope you really liked today's new idea. I always try to bring something new every day so that you can get real value and inspiration from it. If you liked today's video, then please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Your support means a lot to us. I'll see you in the next video with another new idea. Goodbye.